Welcome to Homeidea channel. Today we journey to a stunning farm abode stone house. Witness the transformation of a dream into a sustainable haven. After pandemic lockdowns, they yearned for a nature escape. A farm on the city outskirts became their canvas, and we their design partners. Stone House is a modern marvel, blending rustic charm with eco-friendly features. Repurposed stone walls create a warm embrace, while clay paint ensures a toxin-free interior. The roof showcases the ingenious filler slab technique. Strategically placed pots not only enhance strength but also create a mesmerizing random pattern, a celebration of nature's beauty. Conventional paints were swapped for eco-friendly lime plaster and clay paint, prioritizing both occupant well-being and environmental consciousness. Indian white marble from Malpanis, Rajasthan graces the floors and beds. This exquisite choice supports local artisans while adding timeless elegance. Bay windows strategically placed throughout the house frame breathtaking views of the farm and the Aravali hills. The indoors seamlessly connect with the awe-inspiring outdoors. The living room, kitchen, and dining room flow together in a grand hall, accentuated by beautiful arches. Natural light floods the space through north-facing windows, creating a comfortable atmosphere. The spill-out veranda, next to the entry door, beckons you to relax amidst lush lawns and a flourishing kitchen garden. A spiral staircase connects the veranda to the roof, offering a panoramic escape. Stone House embodies a perfect blend of modern aesthetics and the vibrant colors of Rajasthan. It's a testament to the harmonious coexistence of two distinct worlds. We are incredibly proud to have brought the Malpanis dream to life. Stone House is a haven of tranquility, embracing sustainability and reconnection with nature. It's a lasting legacy of design excellence, transforming dreams into reality. Would you live in a sustainable farmhouse like Stone House? Share your eco-design ideas in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.